What up out there, y'all? Man, we on a mission today. Hey, I cleaned my bike off the last time I rode it when I took it out there, did that mud run with the Jeeps and the razors and stuff. I washed it off as best as I could, man. I pulled it back out yesterday. I was like, oh my God, this joint is still here. I still got so much mud and everything, man. My bike's all messed up. So today for this video, man, I think I'm gonna take all my plastics off, the seat off, I'm gonna take my skid plate off on the bottom. Probably take my battery back out, because I had to take my battery out to charge my battery. My battery went dead when I was riding out there. Riding at nighttime, and I had my LED lights on and my headlights, and they just drained my battery too much. My stator couldn't handle it. So I'm gonna take that out, man. I got like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like, oh, it's mud. It's still mud and leaves and everything caked all up down in there, joint. It's everywhere. Look underneath my seat right here, though. Let me pull this joint out. This joint is still hit right here. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing with this video right here, man. I'm gonna take my lights. I'm gonna get rid of my LED lights. I'll probably put them back on sometime in the winter season. But I'm gonna take them off for right now, and I'm just gonna wire out my fan. Have my fan kicking on. But other than that, though, man, I'm gonna take all my plastics off. I'm gonna try to wash it down. I'm gonna try to get all this done one day in this video. But how far I get in this video, this is how much I'm gonna do today, though. How far I get, though. All right, man, let's go ahead. Get started. It's about to be a process. Let's go. All right, y'all, this is what I got so far, man. I stripped it all the way down. Look at all this dirt inside of this joint. Took my skid plate off. I think that's all I'm gonna do for this video right here, man. Running out of daylight, and the kids are here now. Look at that. But yeah, next video, I'm just gonna clean it up. Probably rewire my, I don't know if I'm gonna put some LEDs back on it, not right yet though, but it's gonna be it for right now. Gotta clean her down though. Got to do that. That's what she looking like though. Some parts I took off right here. Everything right here. Still all kinds of stuff caked up in the skid plate though. I know, I took it apart, man. Yeah. Bye, y'all. That's gonna be it for right here though. It's KFX 2008 450r. Let's go.